Yeah.
Are you brushing? Tickle, 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 tickle. Should Daddy tickle you or Mama tickle you? Tickle, 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 silly goose.
Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Isaac, can you say Mama?
Mama.
Say Dada.
Say Dada. Can we say brush teeth?
You're crazy, man. That's probably good.
He likes that.
Brush him up.
Let's brush teeth. Brush teeth.
Oh, you want to do it now? Whoa. Brush him up. Brush him up.
Yeah, brush teeth. Yeah.
Can you blow Mommy a kiss? Bye. Bye, Mommy's going to leave.
Blow her a kiss.
Bye. See you later. Bye, Isaac. See you later. Bye.
Say bye-bye.